Dear students, today I'll be talking to you with one very important topic which happened in Pakistan. Just 2 days back, on 8 September 2020, one person, Asif Pervez, who is just 37 years of age, he is awarded the death sentence just for one phone messages in Pakistan. This case is of blasphemy. What happened that Asif Pervez, who's a Christian guy, and he works in that textile factory. His owner name is Muhammad Sayyid Khokhar. This Muhammad Sayyid Khokhar, he received one message one day from Asif Pervez. And according to that message, it was blasphemy against the Islam. In Hindi, it is called Ish Ninda. So, case was filed against him, and finally, firstly, he was given the 3 months jail, then rupees 50,000 fine, and now on 8th of September, he is awarded the death sentence just for the message in which he said something about the Prophet Sahib, about the Islam. Earlier, there was another lady, Asia Norain, popularly known as Asia Bibi. In 2009, she said something about Islam, and in 2000, and she was awarded the punishment, life imprisonment. And now she came out after the jail because of the heavy protests and the international pressure. And 2018, she was forced to leave the Pakistan, and she settled in Canada. She was also in the news last year. Then another case is Wajid ul Hussain. He was also arrested for the blasphemy case in Pakistan. And in 2012, he was awarded the death sentence. But later on, his death sentence was converted into the imprisonment. And in 2019, he was freed. But he was tortured like anything. He wanted to become a civil servant. And now he's not in a position to even live in Pakistan. So Pakistan is known for the blasphemy as well as justice is concerned. Old Testament of the Christians says blasphemy person should be hanged. And taking the advantage of that, a lot of laws were created, whereas Quran doesn't mention any sentence for it. It never speaks about the blasphemy. If Quran doesn't say, Prophet Sahib never says, then how Pakistan is giving the death sentences in the case of blasphemy? This is brought by the imperialistic countries like Britain. In 1860s, Britishers brought these laws in India, and after partition in 1947, Pakistan carried on and started implementing these laws on the people of Pakistan. During the time of General Zia-ul Haq, these laws became more and more prominent in Pakistan. It is used for the personal enmity by the leaders and by the people. Many intellectuals in Pakistan are asking for the completely wiping out the blasphemy laws in Pakistan. But the larger group in Pakistan favors its fundamentals, who are having their thinking that this law should continue. And these fundamentalists are taking the advantage of this. And even government supports this. Lot of atrocities on minorities are there in Pakistan, like Sikhs, Hindus, Christians, Ahmadiyas, and so on. God never teach anyone to hate with one another. This is what even the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, mentioned in Zafarnama, which Guruji wrote to Aurangzeb, who was in Dakhan at that time. Guruji mentioned him that nowhere in Quran, nowhere in Islam, nowhere Prophet Sahib said that one human being should hate another human being. So no atrocities should be made in the name of religion. God taught us truth, kindness, common brotherhood, unity, and God never taught us, no God taught us, no religion taught us that one human being should hate the another human being. Thank you very much.